Here's an idea that I had that's worth looking at. Um, it's got some merit as far as how to deliver the solution. Um, so what we've got pictured here is two pieces of duct. We've got an existing duct, and we've got this other piece of duct just above the ceiling. You can see here. This is the ceiling here. And we talked about, or I talked about at one time, putting a piece of duct above the ceiling and just letting it blow in the ceiling. But why not do a discharge in return out of the ceiling? So the benefit of this is we get warm air. This is 75-degree air here, and it would go up through it. It's still at 75-degree air here instead of 55. So we're going to evaporate a lot better, and we're going to evaporate a lot easier. The other thing that can be done is if this is a clear plastic duct here, if this is clear, we can see what's going on. I'm thinking it would probably be circular. This duct would be round. This could be a round or a square fan here. And by the way, that's the fan right there. As you can see, I got a nozzle right here, and it's spraying and it's going away. But it would evaporate into the air quite well. And the other thing that could be done is you could put a trap right here to catch any fluid that may accumulate within the duct. But if you design it right, and everything works well, you might not need the trap. But I think that's got some merit to look at. It wouldn't be that much more expensive to do. I'm thinking this might be 6 to 8 feet long. And then you're also going to eliminate some of the controls that we're concerned about over here in the existing duct when it's 55 degrees. Here we wouldn't have to worry about the humidity level, because we would know that the humidity level is 45%, and it should evaporate within there. And the other thing that could be done, since it is, the ceiling is right here, if we made it just above the ceiling and adjustments had to be made, there could be some adjustment controls right above the ceiling here that the engineer could get at pretty easily to adjust this nozzle. You could also do it wirelessly too. He could stand here with an iPad or an iPhone and wirelessly change the timing of the pulsing on and off depending on requirements. Or you could just change, like I said, up in the ceiling, or it almost could be below the ceiling, with a little trap door on it and some dials on it to change the pulse settings, on and off settings. So, cost-wise, this duct work is not that expensive. But a clear plexiglass one might be. But this wouldn't be clear plastic. This could be that insulated. This is just flexible duct right here. Could be that corrugated type of duct. Hang on here. That duct that's flexible. So it also could, I've got this hanging from some sort of ceiling joist up here. It could just lay, right on the ceiling if it's light enough, and be done that way rather than hanging it. This whole assembly here, is not really that heavy, but it would be nice, better to maybe attach it to someplace above the ceiling. So, that's just some thought. I do like this idea a lot. This would eliminate, any trouble in this ductwork. We would have our own piece of duct to deal with. Their duct would not get lined with any of our solution. It would be in our duct. Back to being clear. We could see what was going on in there. So it's got some, oh, the other thing, we can control the airflow, how fast this air goes through here. We can this fan here, we can control how fast that air goes through there for maximum absorption. I'll put it that way. So that's about it. I just wanted to show that to you and have you think about it. Thank you very much.